Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to channel for all things business and technology. Here at HouseLux, we are passionate about empowering businesses to thrive in the digital era. We're dedicated to bringing you the latest insights, strategies, and tools to navigate the complex landscape of modern business. Today, we're turning our attention to a game changer in the world of digital entrepreneurship, artificial intelligence, or AI. AI has become an integral part of our lives, subtly influencing the way we live, work, and even shop. It's revolutionizing industries across the board, and business is no exception. In fact, AI can be a powerful ally in helping you automate your online business, streamlining processes, enhancing customer experience, and ultimately, driving growth. So why not harness the potential of AI to supercharge your business? In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of automating your online business with AI tools. What does it mean to automate a business? Let's dive in. Automation in a business context refers to the use of technology to perform tasks that were traditionally done manually. It's like having an invisible workforce, tirelessly working around the clock, executing tasks with precision and consistency. Think about it. Do you enjoy spending hours on repetitive tasks like sending out invoices, scheduling social media posts, or sorting through customer emails? Probably not. That's where automation comes in, taking over these mundane tasks and freeing up your time to focus on the creative, strategic, and customer-centric aspects of your business. Imagine having an online store. With automation, you can automatically update inventory as sales are made, send out order confirmations and shipping notifications, and even handle customer inquiries. All of these without you lifting a finger. And the benefits? They're quite substantial. First, you have increased efficiency. Automation allows you to get more done in less time, which translates into higher productivity. Second, it reduces the likelihood of human error. Let's face it, we're all human and we make mistakes, but machines don't. Finally, it enables scalability. As your business grows, automation allows you to easily handle increased volume without needing to hire more staff or work longer hours. Now that we understand what business automation is, let's explore how AI fits into this picture. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a tool that's revolutionizing how we do business. And in the world of business automation, it's playing a pivotal role. Let's dive a little deeper into this. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the powerhouse behind automation. It's the driving force that allows processes to run smoothly without human intervention. But it's not just about replacing human effort. AI enhances automation by making it smarter, faster, and more efficient. Consider customer service, for instance. With AI-powered chatbots, businesses can provide instant, round-the-clock support, resolving customer queries quickly and effectively. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also frees up your team to focus on more complex tasks. AI also improves decision-making. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to uncover patterns and insights that humans might miss. This can help businesses make more informed decisions, whether it's about pricing strategies, marketing campaigns, or product development. Moreover, AI can unlock unprecedented growth for businesses. With its ability to process and analyze data at lightning speed, AI can identify opportunities for expansion, predict market trends, and even automate your sales process. In essence, AI is not just automating businesses, it's transforming them. It's making them more responsive, more efficient, and more competitive. And the best part, it's accessible to all, from startups to multinational corporations. Now that we've covered the theory, it's time to put it into practice. Ready to automate your business with AI? Follow these steps. Step 1, identify your needs. Before you dive into the world of AI, it's crucial to understand what you're looking to automate. Is it customer service? Inventory management? Perhaps it's content generation or marketing tasks. Whatever it is, identify it and make sure you have a clear understanding of your needs. Step 2, research your options. Once you've determined your needs, it's time to explore what's out there. There's a wide array of AI tools available, each with its unique strengths and weaknesses. Some may be better suited for customer service, while others excel in data analysis. Be sure to compare these tools, read reviews, and ensure they align with your business needs. Step 3, choose the right AI tool. Now that you've done your research, it's time to make a decision. Keep in mind, the best tool isn't necessarily the most expensive or the most popular. It's the one that best fits your business needs. So take your time, weigh your options, and choose wisely. Step 4, implement the AI tool. After selecting the right tool, the next step is to implement it into your business. This might involve a bit of a learning curve, but don't worry. Most AI tools come with detailed instructions and support to guide you through the process. And remember, it's okay to start small. You can always scale up as you become more comfortable with the technology. Step 5. Monitor and adjust. Once the AI tool is up and running, it's important to keep an eye on it. Monitor its performance, gather feedback from your team and customers, and make necessary adjustments. AI is not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. It requires ongoing maintenance and optimization to ensure it's delivering the best results. Step 6. Prepare for the future. As you become more comfortable with AI, start thinking about the future. How can you further automate your business? What other areas could benefit from AI? Continually looking ahead will help you stay competitive and make the most of this powerful technology. Now, let's talk about some of the AI tools you might consider. For customer service, there's Intercom, a chatbot that can handle a wide range of customer inquiries. For inventory management, you might look into Sortly, an AI tool that can keep track of your stock in real time. For content generation, there's Articulo, an AI writer that can generate unique articles in a matter of minutes. And for marketing tasks, consider Adext, an AI tool designed to optimize your ad campaigns. Remember, these are just examples. The best tool will depend on your specific needs and the nature of your business. In conclusion, automating your business with AI isn't just about choosing the right tool. It involves understanding your needs, doing your research, making an informed decision, implementing the tool, monitoring its performance, and preparing for the future. It may seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, you can harness the power of AI to streamline your operations, improve your customer service, and boost your bottom line. With these steps, you're well on your way to automating your online business with AI. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started off by introducing the concept of automation in business. We learned that business automation is a strategy employed by forward-thinking companies to streamline their operations, minimize manual tasks, and increase efficiency. It's about using technology, specifically artificial intelligence, to automate repetitive tasks, reduce human error, and free up time for more strategic, high-level work. We then transitioned into the role of AI in business automation. We discovered that artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword. It's a transformative tool that's revolutionizing the way businesses operate. From chatbots that handle customer service inquiries to predictive analytics that help with forecasting and decision-making, AI is an integral part of modern business automation. Next, we delved into the step-by-step guide to automating your business with AI. We started by identifying the areas in your business that could benefit from automation. We then moved on to choosing the right AI tools tailored to your specific needs. From there, we discussed the importance of training your AI systems, and then finally, how to monitor and adjust your systems for optimal performance. Remember, the journey to automation doesn't happen overnight. It's a process that requires careful planning, implementation, and continuous improvement. But the rewards, including increased efficiency, reduced costs, and the ability to focus on strategic growth initiatives, are well worth the effort. So there you have it, a brief yet comprehensive overview of how to automate your online business with AI tools. We hope this serves as a great starting point for your automation journey and inspires you to explore more ways AI can help your business thrive in the digital age. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more insightful videos on business and technology. Until next time, remember, the future of business is automated.